we're running new downspouts underground. The reason why we're redoing something that a landscaper did, they use septic field pipe. This is triple wall, got the black on the inside, it's white exterior, it's for septic field. Guys, don't use this. This is the wrong pipe. It splits in the wintertime, it has no protection against the sun, it splits. We like to use the corrugated. Here in the north, you can be below freezing and have sun beating on the roof, and it starts to run down. You'll end up with the snow melt, and it'll start running down the gutter. This cold gutter will just start building up with ice. Well, if you have a buildup like I just described, this corrugated, it expands. It doesn't split, it doesn't crack. It works great. We love the corrugated here in the north. If you have a long gutter run, it flushes out all the shingle gravel without a problem. If it's a short gutter run, put a clean out on it. Now always run down grade. That way you empty out all the water. When we run downspouts, we always put the dirt on plywood. When we're done, you can hardly tell we're here, but this is how we run our downspouts. All this is going to drain to a city storm drain. We have 3 downspouts that we're bringing down to the storm drain in this channel right here. Make sure when running downspouts that you have slope, you have pitch, that you're grading away from the house, and take them far enough away from the house that they're not a problem. Too many times I see gutter downspouts buried and it's too short a run, too close to the house, and it's not downgrade. For downspouts done the right way in Macomb County and Oakland County, Michigan, give us a call.